A very good morning to all. Today we are moving to the 12th chapter and the name of the chapter is Good Habits and Manners. So in this class we'll be learning about or we'll be discussing about the good habits and manners that we need to follow in our life. So first, let's discuss about some of the good habits. So good habits helps us to stay healthy and helps us to live a happy life. So good habits helps us to stay healthy. So let's discuss about some of the good habits that we need to follow, every day, that we need to follow in our life. So the first thing, so you all are following this habit, right? So that is brushing teeth. So you have to brush your teeth every day. Once you wake up in the morning, you have to brush your teeth. And before going to bed, you have to brush your teeth. So that is a good habit that you need to follow every day. So that keeps your teeth neat and clean. So the first habit, that is you have to brush your teeth daily. The second habit is taking bath. So you have to take bath every day. So we need to remove all the dirt from our body, right? We should keep our body neat and clean, right? For that, you need to take bath every day. So by taking bath, you feel very fresh and you will be clean. So you have to take bath every day. The next habit is cutting nails. So do you all cut your nails or do you all grow your nails? So you have to cut your nails and you have to make it short. So you have to cut your nails. So another important thing you need to remember is when you wash your hands, you have to wash under your nails also. You know why? Because there are chances for the dirt to be under your nails. So you have to clean that. So you have to make your nails short. The next one, combing hair. So this is also a good habit. So do you all comb your hair? So when do you comb your hair? So you have to comb your hair in the morning. So after you wake up, you have to comb your hair properly. And when you go out somewhere, you have to comb your hair properly. It is very, very important. The next one, oiling hair. So do you all oil your hair? Do your mother oil your hair? It is also very important. It strengthens your hair. It helps to strengthen your hair. So this is also a very good habit that you can follow. The next one, very, very important. That is washing hands. You have to wash your hands, which is very, very important. So before having your food, you have to wash your hands properly. After using toilet, you have to wash your hands properly. When you come from outside, you have to wash your hands and face properly. So which is very, very important. You have to wash your hands. Next important habit, that is exercise regularly. You have to spend some time for playing. So that keeps your body strong. It keeps your body strong. So you have to exercise regularly. So these are some of the good habits that you should follow in your life that helps you to stay healthy. Now let's discuss about the good manners that we need to follow in our life. So we should always behave well. We should behave well with others. And we should always use polite words. Now let's see some of the good manners. So you can see a picture here. So when you get something or when someone does something for you, what do you say? For example, your father and mother give you a gift, or your friend gives you a gift, or your friends do something for you. So what do you say? You say thank you. You thank them, right? When your parents give you a gift, you say thank you. When your friends do something for you, when your friends help you, you say thank you. So we should use the polite word thank you. When someone does something for us, we should say thank you. We should always thank them. So we should say thank you. And in return, the person says, you are welcome. So when someone does something for us, what should we say? We should thank them. We should say thank you. Then, when you hurt someone or when we do something wrong, when you hurt your friend, you should say sorry. You should say sorry to your friend. When you hurt your mother, you should say sorry. So the polite word we use here is sorry. We should say sorry. Then, when we sneeze or when we are about to leave, we use the word excuse me. Excuse me, can I go? So we use the word excuse me. That is a polite word. When we sneeze, when we want to sneeze or when we are about to leave, we say excuse me. So that is a polite word. Then, when we ask for something, we say the word please. So when you ask your friend for a book, so how do you ask? You ask, please, can you give me this book? So that is a polite word. You use the word please. So when you ask for something, you use the word please. So these are some of the polite words. So these are some of the polite words that we need to use. So we should always behave well with others. We should use polite words. So that is good manners. Now you can take page number 72 in your textbook and you can see a box there. Let's get started. So there is a question given. How do you help in keeping your classroom clean? So we should keep our classroom neat and clean, right? So how do you help in keeping the classroom neat and clean? So what can you do? So you should not put any papers or wrappers in the classroom. You should always put them in the dustbin. So likewise, you can also think about how you can keep your classroom neat and clean. And you can write it in the space given there. Coming to page number 74, you can see a box there, activity. So there are some activities given to show different habits. What you need to do here is, you have to draw a smiley face for the ones which you think are good habits. So you can see different activities here. What you need to do here is, you have to draw a smiley face for the activity which you think is a good habit. See the first one, sleeping till late every morning. Is it a good habit? If it is a good habit, you can draw a smiley face. The second one, making a bed every morning. So that is folding your blanket and keeping your bed properly. So is it a good habit? You can think over it. Third one, sitting up straight while studying with plenty of light. The fourth one, keeping our surroundings clean. The next one, digging our nose. So these are some of the activities. And just think over it, if any of these activities are good habits. So what you need to do here is, you have to draw a smiley face for activities which you think is a good habit. So this is an activity for you. You can do this. And after that, once you are done, you can send to Microsoft Teams. Then you can take page number 76. There is a box given, activity. Here you can see different pictures. You have to look at the given pictures and have to draw a smiley face for the ones that show good manners. So there are different pictures. You have to closely observe these pictures and you have to draw a smiley face for the picture that shows good manners. The first one, pushing someone. The second one, helping someone when she or he falls down. The next one, writing on the walls. Then, walking down the stairs in an orderly manner. Then, eating with our mouth closed. Then, fighting over toys. So, these are some of the pictures. What you need to do? You have to draw a smiley face for the picture which shows good manners. So, this also you can do as an activity. So, once you are done, you can submit both of these activities in Microsoft Teams. So, I hope you all understood the topic that we discussed today. That is about good habits and good manners. So, we should always follow good habits to stay healthy in our life. Then, we should follow good manners. We should always use polite words and we should always behave well with others. I hope the class is clear for you. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, thank you.